And there it is, all finished and looking pretty cool. So I've just done a little bit of extra detailing, done the mirrors and a little bit of a chrome strip across that spare wheel, and took the plate off again and just straightened it up and trimmed it up, made it nice and neat. So that's it. So it wasn't a massive job on this. It was just a wheel swap, mirror detail, little chrome strip on the back of the spare wheel, and put a plate on. It was that simple, and it's made it look, you know, it was a good little casting, but now it's a nice little model now. But I've decided I'm gonna give this away, and I've done this before. I can't remember exactly when I did it. It was a few months ago now, but I'm gonna do the same as I did last time. If you want a chance to win this, all you got to do is leave a comment. Just, you know, anything you like, just as long as it's anybody that leaves a nice polite comment will be taken down and put forward for it. And what I'll do is tomorrow at 5 o'clock I'll do the draw, and so you've got between the time this video gets uploaded to 5 o'clock tomorrow, so that's Tuesday 5 p.m. UK time, to get your comment down, and I'll write down all the comments as usual and pick one from the hat, and whoever wins this, whoever's, you know, I pull out the hat, so to speak, wins this little Matchbox Land Rover Defender 90. So I think the last time I did this, I think it was a BMW 2002, I think, and I think Bog one from Red Room Diecast, if I remember rightly. But I did the same thing then. I just did a basic wheel swap, minute details on the mirror, and you know, this is a little, you know, it's not a lot of effort. It's really quick little build. But anyway, like I said, I want a chance to win it. It's not a long competition or anything. It's just a bit of fun. So you got between today, when I upload it tonight, because now it's night time now over in the UK. Between the time I upload it until 5 p.m. tomorrow evening, that's Tuesday UK time, and like I said, I'll pick a comment out of the hat, and whoever's won will get this, and I'll ship it anywhere in the world. So with that being said, please like, share, subscribe. Please stay tuned for more wheel swaps, customs, restorations and unboxings, and with that I'll see you all very soon, and good luck.